Hey y'all, it's your girl Tiara here, and today I am back with another video. So I wanted to do a comparison of Instacart versus shopping in store. So today guys, I am at Aldi, okay, because we know how expensive things are. It's inflation, groceries is expensive, okay. So you know, and then also as a mom, I know a lot of moms and people in general just use Instacart, but I wanted to know, is it worth it? But I've noticed that certain prices for certain things are so crazy. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, okay? Comment down below if you use Instacart, and there's nothing wrong with using Instacart because I've used it before, and you know, it's a convenience. So and also convenience always comes with a price. But I'm about to go inside Aldi's, and I'm gonna take my phone inside, and then we're gonna compare items. So let's see how it goes. Okay, hey y'all, I am back, okay? Don't mind my hair, y'all. I'm taking it out today. Anyway, so this is my Aldi's receipt when I went to the store, and then I have Instacart here. So when I upload the video, I'm gonna put it on the screen. So let's do a comparison real quick. So let's see. So let's do some peppers, right? I had to hurry up and leave, so I didn't record all the prices in the store, but I'm just using my receipt for reference. So yeah, all right, so y'all already, oh, I'm not even screen recording. Okay, screen record. All right, so y'all already, okay, so the multi-peppers is $2.69 at the store. In the store on Instacart, it's $2.99. The red onion bag, I got it for $2.39, and the red onion bag on Instacart is $2.65. So I'm gonna add these things to my cart. I'm probably only gonna do a few items. Let's do green onions. Okay, the green onions in the store is 85 cents, and the app is 95 cents. For the apples, let's do the apples. I got 3 bags of apples. Okay, let's see. The Gala apples was $2.49 in the store and on Instacart, so that stayed the same.
Nice.
All right, so the Granny Smith apples in the store is $3.99. On the app, it's $4.38. Cranberries, let's see for the cranberries. Okay, so the cranberries is the same price. It was 99 cents in the store, and it's 99 in the on Instacart. What the wine is on Instacart? Cause I got the wine. The wine is the same price. Oh, I had got some Italian cheese. Okay, let's see how much the Italian cheese is. Cause I'm like, what is that says Italian? Italian cheese in the store is $2.99, and on Instacart is $3.29. Let's see how much the blackberries. Okay, the blackberries are $2.69 in the store, and on Instacart is $2.99. Store, the green grapes is $1.49 a pound. On Instacart, y'all see, it's $3.58 a pound. That's a lot. That's like twice the price. Literally. Not even, almost 3 times, because 150 times 2 is $3, and that's $3.58. That's a lot. So I just added those 8 things to the cart just so we can compare. So I'm gonna add those things up. So if I ordered, okay, those items, because of course I didn't add the other items that I got because it's food, so I mean meat. Okay, so from this stuff from in-store was only $25.46, right? If I would have ordered with Instacart, my total would be $31.29. They gave me a free delivery, so that doesn't count. And then the service fee is $4, and then of course you gotta include tip, right? Okay, so if I didn't go to Aldi's, child, that's a little over. So that's almost like $15. $15, I can get another thing of salmon. I can get like a whole bunch of more fruit, you know. But I'm not knocking anyone who uses who's using Instacart, because of course we all got things we got going on in life. But you know, you pay for convenience. But for me, I'd rather save that money and just go buy another thing of food, like whatever for food, because food is so expensive, like, you know, like and you know, just shopping smart, shopping the right way. You don't have to be in the store that long. I probably should do a video on that, like ways to grocery shop smarter or easier ways to shop. Because honestly, I feel like I don't be in the store that long anymore, because I'm used to buying like the same things, and I kind of know the store already and what to get. So maybe I'll do that. Maybe I'll do a video of that. But yeah, Instacart definitely would have costed like $15 more. But yeah, of course I use Instacart sometimes, but if I see a price is like too high, I just remove the cart, or sometimes, majority of the time, I'll just go to the store myself, because that's just what it's gonna be. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I just wanted to do Instacart versus shopping in store. So yeah, so I want to thank you guys again for watching this video. I want to close this video out. Comment down below, what do you like to use? Do you like to use Instacart? Do you like to shop in the store? What's your preference? Or even Walmart pickup. I just did Walmart pickup today. That was great, and the prices was the same. But yeah, y'all comment down below what y'all think. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I don't even know what you're doing. I really don't. I'ma wait. I'm a kid. I'ma wait. Okay, you subscribe yet? Okay, thank you. But yeah, I'm gonna close this video out right here, and I want to thank you guys again for watching, and I will see y'all next time. Bye.